Okay, so in this session, we just quickly gonna open Intellij. I confirm, continue. You don't want statistic, maybe you want, you can accept. In the beginning, when you open Intellij, it has a question. If you want to import some IDEA setting, you can just say no. And it's gonna open. It's gonna go to the next question. That's something that it didn't ask me again when I started Intellij. So in case you got that question, you can say do not import the IDEA settings since we don't have. This is a brand new Intellij. So let's see. Okay, so here for now, we have to create a new project, right? Because we don't have an existing project. And you're just gonna use JVM. I don't need additional libraries. I'm gonna use JDK. And I'm gonna go, I don't have a template. So basically here, we're gonna create my first Scala project. Gonna finish. Awesome. Okay, we don't want tips. Okay, I'm gonna close this guy. Okay, so how to use, so this is the project I created, right? And if you click here, you can see just my first Scala project folder name. Here you have the libraries, source contains the source, and you also have .idea folder that usually it contains the configuration files for the project. And these are the default files that we have. Okay, so far, we were able to run Intellij. In the next slides, we're going to go through of how we install the Scala plugin with Intellij and check if we have this Scala plugin and add the configuration and how to run our first project. Thank you.